잘 먹겠습니다. Hi guys, I'm Stacy
and Stephanie.
Today we're going to make SPAM MUSUBI.
Yay! If you're a spam lover, you'll definitely love this recipe.
Yeah, this is a very famous Hawaiian dish that you can enjoy with simple ingredients.
Yes, I tried it in Hawaii and it was very good, so I keep making it in Korea.
The basic ingredients should be spam, but
Today we're gonna top it this crab meat and avocado and what else?
and some boiled egg and cheese.
Yay! So should we start?
Yeah,
Let's begin!
So let's get the ingredient first. Spam, teriyaki sauce, and seaweed paper. Also we need avocado, crab meat, and cheese. These are going to be toppings. First, cut seaweed paper. Luckily on the seaweed paper we got there is a line, so we cut the seaweed paper following those lines. We cut 4 pieces because we are going to make 4 different kind of musubi today. Next, cut avocado. You know how to cut avocado, right? Yay, it's well ripe. Scoop the avocado fruit using spoon. It's so smooth. And slice the avocado into pieces. Just like this. And next, you're going to cut spam into 4 pieces. 2, 3, and 4. So let's time to cook spam. For cooking spam, you don't need to spray oil because there's enough oil in spam. Cook it on medium heat so you don't burn your spam. Cook it until it's golden brown, just like this. Next, add 2 spoons of teriyaki sauce. You wanna cook on low heat so you don't burn it. Smells already good. So spam is ready. Now it's time to season the rice. Add salt, sesame oil, and some sesame seeds. Mix the rice well. We're going to use this spam can for making musubi today. First, scoop some rice. Fill them half of the can, just like this. And add spam. And flip it over. Yay! Flip it over again. Add avocado. And finish with the seaweed paper. So our first musubi is ready. Look at this. And for next, we're going to use this musubi maker. Fill the rice. Add spam. Next, crab meat. It's much easier if you use the musubi maker. Again, finish with the seaweed paper. So our second crab meat musubi is ready. The next topping is egg. Yay, that looks so good. And the last topping is cheese. So our last cheese musubi is ready. Yay! Yum!
잘 먹겠습니다. Yum! Avocado, crab meat, hard-boiled egg, and cheese. Everything looks so yummy. It came out so good. So let's try. My first pick is crab meat. I'll take this avocado.
It looks like sushi.
Yeah.
Look at this. It looks like cartoon sushi.
Yum. I'll take a bite.
The next egg. Yum.
And my favorite, cheese.
It's the last musubi. Let's cheers.
Cheers.
This is perfect for breakfast. Egg and spam rice. This is so Asian.
Last night.
This musubi was super good. I hope you guys enjoy watching our musubi making video today. And please subscribe our channel and like our video. We'll come back next week. Thank you guys. Bye.